once again, ask yourself if this is quadratic function. So
it is because got a square.
So just write ax squared plus bx plus c above. Then you can see that, hey, my a is actually 18, right? Then the b is actually plus 39, and then the c is plus 18. So in a way, this is a quadratic function.
Yeah.
So quadratic function, you need to use quadratic solution, right? Quad solution, right? But like I said just now, if you look at 18, you have so many combinations. Okay, so like 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, right? Maybe you can have negative 1, negative 18, and so on and so forth, right? So the it's going to be very complicated, okay? But actually, before you use the quad solution, right, for this question, you can do something before using the quad solution, and that is the HCF. Do you know why? Because by using HCF, right, it helps you simplify. Okay? So this question is like you need to use the combination so that you will not have so many combination, because if you have so many combination, it's very hard to find the answer. And by the way, this question is probably 3 marks and you don't want to spend like an hour. Okay? So you need to simplify it by using the HCF first. Some quadratic is cannot use this HCF because the quadratic function is already the simplest form. This one is not simplest form. Let me show you. Can you give it a 3? 6m squared, right? 13m, right?
Yeah.
6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take out a 3. So therefore, do you ask yourself, can you take out a 2? Cannot, because 13 cannot divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
Can you take out a 3 again? Cannot. Can you take out 6 again? Cannot.
No.
So therefore, this is the simplest. That means there's no way you can simplify this further. So what you have is actually this. Yeah. So the whole question is simplified into 3 bracket 6m squared plus 13m plus 6. And now your job is to do quadratic solution for this part only. Okay? And then wait, you do quadratic solution for this one, for this part, but doesn't mean you can ignore the 3. You still need to times the 3 later on after doing this
Then
part.
can I just put 3 in front of like the 2 brackets?
That what 2 bracket?
Like you know how on the end.
Yeah, correct. So later you will end up with this, right?
Yeah.
You put a 3 in front, yes. That means you cannot forget the 3 lah. So but never mind, let's do it step by step. So I focus on the 6m squared first. So I think the 6m squared plus 13m plus 6, I think it's pretty easy to find the answer. I think it's pretty easy. Is it easy? Or let's see. So 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
1 and 6, right? Then over here is 3 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Or 2 and 3 lah, okay. Okay, I'm talking about the plus 6 at the back. It can be 2 and 3. It can be 3 and 2. It can be 1 and 6. It can be 6 and 1. Okay, so let's test. So probably I want to try the 2 and 3 first. By the way, 2 and 3 means 2m and 3m lah.
Yeah, I know.
So over here, what do you get? You get this one will give you 6. This one will give 6, 6, 6, 6, 12. Cannot. Okay?
Yeah.
So this combination cannot. Okay, it looks like this one can because you have a 9, 3m, 3 is 9, 4, so it's 13m, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like this is the combination. So once you get this combination, the rest you can ignore already. So once you have finalized the combination, you just bracket it. And therefore, this whole thing is equal to 2m plus 3, 3m plus 2. Don't forget the 3. That's it. That's the answer. Simple?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the answer. Okay, so for this question,